just start by adding a little bit of water and some clay. Build it up as you would on a usual wheel. Just squish that into shape there. And using the very tips of tools, you can create some really cool shapes. And once you're happy with your creation, take a little scraper and scrape it off. Once it dried fully, I dunked ours in some paint. And this perfect display is great for little occasions. We're going to start this craft by cutting up some plastic play balls. Be careful while doing this. Once you've cut up a whole load of play balls, it's time for the jar. I'm just using some hot glue to stick the shapes on. Make sure to make them irregular so that it looks a bit more like a raspberry. Once you've got all the balls in place, it's time to fill with some lights. I've gone for these nice twinkly ones. Made some quick leaves out of foam, and voila! You have your very own raspberry light. Start by taking a little sock and filling it with some stuffing. Make sure to seal the end with some glue. Just squish that in there. Once you've made a whole bunch of these, load them into some tights. Squish that in. And start your dye bath. I'm using Rit dye in the hot dye bath. Squish them all together till they are thoroughly covered. You want to get that really good orangey colour on them. Rinse this out and leave to dry. While that's drying, you can start on the toast. You're going to need a soft foam pillow and some slightly sturdier upholstery foam. Again, just glue gun this in place. To get the shaping in, you can push in certain sections. Once you're happy with the shape, it's time to paint. I'm just using a watered down acrylic and a big old brush. Remember to get some of that toasty shading in. And use a darker colour to create the crust. Once everything's dry, it's time to add it all together. With a bit more hot glue, we're going to stick the beans on. Stick them on nice and securely and spread out the type material to create a sauce. Just stick that bit down there. And there you go! A super squishy beans on toast. I absolutely love the cuddly toast. It's so squishy.